my family are actual programmers. So if I ever need help, I can go to them. So I'll show you a couple of the programs I've made, and then I'll show one that I'm working on right now, and then I'll work on one really fast with you. So,
okay, I'm going to show a few things. First, I'm going to show you that up here it says I'm in the world of math. And that's like everything from high school to early math. And if I want to change that to early math, to 3rd grade to 4th grade to 5th grade, and then down here is like you can go into geometry, algebra, and it's just that subject. But in the world of math, it's pretty much everything. And so I'm just going to click on team numbers 2. That's the subject I'm going to click on, and I'm going to click start. And here it shows the problem. Let's say the teacher is not available, she's busy, and I want to just not bother her, so I'm just going to go down here, and I'm going to click on a video. It says stuck, watch a video. So you just click on that, and it's basically a guy just explaining it to you how to do it. It works a few problems with you, and it is over YouTube, but it's safe. And so you just click play, and then if I'm on team numbers 2, but there might be 2 different types of questions, and this is the first type of question on this video. You can click on right here, it shows the second type on that same thing, so you can watch a different video. It's different than the first one. Okay, and also, I suggest that you try the problem a few times, and if you still can't get it, don't, then watch the video. And like, the video really helps us because if the teacher explains it to you, or a friend, and you still don't get it, you have to repeat that video over and over, and that's the thing, you can keep watching these videos until you understand it. And so, does anyone else have any thoughts about that? Lauren?
Well, and also, like, the videos, like, they have, like, a visual aid to them. If you're, like, asking a teacher or friends and to help, and they'll probably just, like, show you and tell you, but on the videos, he draws out the problems and stuff.
Goes through the process.
Shows, so he shows you, and it's just easier.
Anyone else? Jack?
Videos on Kahn are very important, but if you watch too many, it takes away from the important things, such as the problem. And I think they're only for when you don't understand it at all.
But the other thing I wanted to show you is these are dark colored. That means you are mastered them, like you got them good. And if they're just like this, you need to practice them. You haven't done them yet. They're light blue, you're on level 1, you're kind of there, you're almost there, and then you get darker and darker and darker.
3 points to get them, like this one that I got 50,000 points for it. And it's like your carrot dangling from it. If you need to get all those points, you have to master all the levels right there. Any questions?
Well, like Dana said, it's really a carrot for your kids because if they're not doing Kahn or working on mastery challenges or just working on any subjects, they need to tell them you do the skills, you get points, and points are you avatars. You can choose, like, if you're into like Legos or whatever they have up there for avatars, they can have that for their little avatar. So that's a carrot.
Anybody else?
James?
and the higher up you get with energy points,
like Jada said, the better things you get. And there's something that I don't know if many people in here know about. I can show it on Jada's computer, but it's, you get more energy points, the better things you can get. So you click on Jada, and then you see the background here?
Yeah.
You go to edit profile, edit background. And the higher up you get,
Jada, why do you think the energy points of the badges are so important?
Well, there's not as well, they are important because, like, you can like not like really push yourself or something. You can like try to get them better and better. So like the math concept is in your head, and it'll just stay there. Like you can work on it more than once, and I think it's kind of important because it's like a carrot, like I said, a carrot dangle like over your head. Like you really want it because you know that.
And the more points you earn, the cooler the avatars are.
Yes.
So you're setting a goal for yourself.
Yes.
Thinking of that, the badges actually do help you with getting more avatars because they can usually give you more energy points with them. I mean, because a lot of people try and work for the harder ones because they give you more energy points, so it helps you get more avatars, which helps you have fun, but still do the math.
Yeah, more energy.
I'll help you get on to the focus wheel. So, you probably start on your dashboard, and then go to, is everybody on their dashboard?
Yes.
So you go to progress here, and then you have coach recommendations, videos, activity, and then focus is what we're focusing on today. Luke.
Well, on my focus wheel, it is saying that, give me a sec. Intro to programming, and counting money US, was I spent the least time on.
Oh, that's interesting.
I know.
Nick.
Well, on my focus wheel, it shows me that I really am needing the videos because I do have a lot of time on place value. It was 24 minutes, but now I don't have place value on my dashboard anymore. So,
Okay. You, Nick.
well, because the guy who made Kahn is the guy who does the videos, and he really is very informative because sometimes he does the problem you're doing, but sometimes it's just the others. But it's really helpful because you can start to understand how to actually do it, and that's what I think is really helpful.
Yes, on my focus wheel, well, on things like right here, it shows focus and it shows skills. When you go into skills, it kind of shows your mission skills and it shows this red.
Yeah, I'm struggling.
That's what you're struggling on. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And this is what he's mastered. And this is just the light blue. So if you want to know what am I struggling on, what do I need to watch the videos on, and what I need to work on, it shows you 16 things, and then if you scroll down, it'll show you everything that you need to work on.
That Kahn is not timed.
I like Kahn because it has coding and it can teach you all about it.
I like Kahn because Kahn teaches you about math and other subjects.
I like Kahn because I can pick my own objectives.
I like Kahn because it helps me on what I need
help them.
My favorite thing about Kahn is coding because it's really interesting to do that stuff.
I like Kahn because of the coding and because you can choose whatever grade level you want. So if you need to practice on anything for the next grade year.
Because it gives you everything you need to know for 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and beyond.
I like Kahn because you can set goals for yourself.
I like Kahn because just the math is great.
I like Kahn because you can code and you can pick whatever you want to do.
I like Kahn because they have a pen when you're struggling so that you don't have to use paper and pencil.
I like Kahn because there are all the subjects you need to move on in life.
I like Kahn because it helps me with the math.
I like Kahn because it teaches you stuff that you need in high school, and even if you're in 4th grade.
I like Kahn because it sets a goal for yourself.
I like Kahn because of one word, coding.
I like Kahn because of the coding and all of the subjects that you can do.
I like coding because even if you've mastered a skill, you can go back to refresh your memory.
I like Kahn because of it teaches you all these new things.
The growth rate for PolyDrive NWEA math score is 60% of the class. Our growth rate is 82.2% of the class. And I think it's because math and Kahn.
The reason I think we have the great NWEA scores 80% instead of 60% is because we have a great one-on-one learning situation. It's just no other classroom that I know of has this. And it's because our loving and great teacher. Thank you, Mrs. Rollins.
I like Kahn because it helps me with the math that I can't figure out sometimes, and math will be part of your life when you grow up.
I like Kahn because it tells you what you need practice with once you already master it.